Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay June 26, 2024, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayon June 26, 2024, Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later' for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 26, 2024, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 20.5 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 59.5 million pesos for Wednesday, June 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 26, 2024, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.